navigation area, and we are going to add images in the navigation on WordPress. So let's do that. So it's very simple to easy, and it's very simple to get it done. So in that case, just go to plugin section, okay, and where you can find add, and just go to add new, and you can see the search option. Just type like this, menu images, okay, and once you search menu images, you can see the results come up. There are multiple of plugins. The first one is for menu images icons made easy. Just install this plugin first, and once installed, we need to configure this plugin, and then we can easily move forward with it. So I'm just going to activate this plugin first, okay. It looks like it's activated. We can skip this as of now, okay. Now you can see the option for the general options, menu image hover, like enable this image on hover feed. You can select your images size as well, okay. The first menu size, the second menu size, and the third menu size, and that save the changes. After that, go to your menu. So where we can find the menu area, just go to the appearance, and you can see the menus, okay. So now we need to choose our top menus. So this is our top menus, header menu. So looks like home, services, about, and contact, okay. And this one we need to select our navigation menu, I think this one, okay. And after that, select this menu. Now we can see home, services, about, and contact, right? Just click on the down arrow option, you can see, and after that you can add your image icon, whatever you need. You can see you can also upload as an image, you can use as an icon. So once you click on icon, you can see there are multiple icons over there. You can select, okay. This is very simple to get it done. So as this is for home, we can find out the what is our home image. So looks like this is the home image, so we will choose this one, okay. You can see the preview. This is for preview. You can see the title position should be hide, above, below, before, and after, okay. The title is after, means the icon should be first and the title should be after. If you select before, you can see like this. So this is our preview. So let's do it like this way, and save the changes, okay. So once you save the changes, you can close this button, close this window. Again, go to our services, just click on down arrow, and same thing, just click on add image icon and select icon area. As this is for services, you can choose anything as per your need, whatever what is relevant for you can easily choose, okay. For now, as an example, I am just adding this one, okay. That's it. This is for services. Save the changes, then close this window. Again, for about us page, click on add image and icon, click on icon option, okay. This is for about, okay. Those whatever you can see there are multiple images, I mean icons. You can choose as per your need, okay. As of now, I'm just selecting this one, about, so the changes. Then the last one is for the contact us, right? So click on add image and icon option, again icon, then contact. So you can contact should be something like the phone icon, something like this, okay. And save the changes, close this window. Once all done, just save the menu, okay. Now go to your front end, I mean the page, and just reload this tab. And once you reload this tab, you can see all these icons are appear in the front end, and you can see it looks like very prominent and very standard. So this is something where we can easily you can easily add the we can easily add images to the navigation area on WordPress. That's it. Thank you.